Okay, so what going on YouTube? You feel me? It's VV drip, whatever you wanna call it. You feel me? Um, I do art tutorials and stuff like that, and I told y'all on the last video I was gonna show y'all how to make an art brush. So y'all see I made this. I'm gonna get rid of this real quick. Just open up a new file. I'm gonna do 3,000 by 3,000. You feel me? And then first of all, you want to make sure your color is black or whichever color you want the brush to be by default. Hey, so I'm gonna switch this over and then make this black. I don't know why I just did that. I had switched the one. Okay, but anyways, so to scroll in and out, you like to zoom in and out, you tap Alt, you hold Alt, and then move the little thing on the mouse, the roller on the mouse, whatever that is. Okay, but so we getting into the art brush. So first thing you do, go to the rectangular tool, like hold left on the mouse, and then pick ellipse tool. Okay, so you got that right. You got that right. Okay, so you just bring it out, drag it to where it's kind of pointy to your liking. Like you can just test it out, and then you just go up to where it say basic, come down to new brush, go to art brush. You feel me? And just tap OK. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. Alright, so now you should have a brush like this. You feel me? And I just made a knife like 21 Savage. You feel me? That was a quick. This just a quick video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And you feel me? I'm out.